Welcome. In front of me is a General Mobile GM8 Go, and today I will show you how to access recovery mode on this device. So to get started, you want to hold the power key and then select power off, like so. Wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, we'll then begin holding power key and volume up. So power, volume up once it's off. And you should be presented with the boot mode. So from here you want to use only volume up to navigate, as you can see, and volume down will be used to confirm whatever we have selected. And you want to select the first option, which is recovery mode, and then press volume down. Next thing you should see is the Android with no command. So to get past this, all you need to do is hold power key and then tap volume up once. So hold and press. And you can see that we're now in the recovery mode. So from here you can use both of the volume keys to navigate, so volume up to go up, volume down to go down, and power key will be used to confirm. And as you can see, you can just simply reboot the system from here, reboot to bootloader, apply updates, wipe data, wipe cache, system, view logs, run graphic tests, and just simply power off the device. Now I'm gonna, for this purpose, just use the reboot system now and to get back to the Android, and then confirm it with power key to basically confirm this. And I'm not really sure if this is problem of the device, but normally this should not be opening. It's basically just one-time thing that should be. But if you see this as well, for some reason, the no command, do the same thing as you did previously, which is hold power key and tap volume up once, and then try again. So reboot system now, we're gonna press, and now it catches on and starts rebooting the device. And you can see that we're back in the Android system. Whoops, they don't want to open camera. Let me just close this. And we're now in the home screen. So that is basically how you would access and also leave the recovery mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.